Hi you guys, sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. You guys, welcome back to Mnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you so much. Mangabe umshaya ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, uyi-like video and then uyi-share you guys. So, ngizobuyela again you guys odabeni ke lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa. Kuningi okwenzeka lapha necourt kuloko kusaqhutshwa ngodaba lwamaselula ke lokuthintana kaKelly Khumalo nalabo amangalelwa you guys kuloko kusaqhutshekwe ke ngemibuzo you guys kuphekwa ke laphana ama-witnesses I think Colonel Gao something like that you guys. So kulodaba laphana amaselu lokuqhubekile engizokuthanda ukuthi lesi story nifundele sona you guys laphana ka Isolezwe vele kube khulumile ke ngodaba loka Kelly and these guys I think umangalelo oqala nomangalelo wesibili you guys okuthiwa ke baxhumana no Kelly Khumalo kusaloku kuphikisana ngalokho udaba kokukhunywa ngalo ukuthi oluyindida laphana lo daba ke lwamaselula kubulaweni kuthiwa ke babexoxisana before kuzobulawa uSenzo Meyiwa into ekanjalo you guys. So kuloko kusakhulunywe about those cell phone calls between Kelly and the some of the accused into ekanjalo. So kuthiwa kuphindela qhamuka ke iphindela qhamuka igama lika Kelly Khumalo kuqula icala ke lokufa kwaSenzo Meyiwa kubuzwa ngamaselula nezindomoto zocingo ayenazo ke ngaleso sikhathi you guys ukusola ukuthi uKelly wayethintana ke nalabo abamangalela ngazo ke lezo nombolo uthake ke kwasuka umsindo ke laphana ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo you guys kuphikiswana ukuthi kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi uKelly waveza izinombolo zeselula ezimbili emaphoyiseni wase uyagodla lezi ezinye. So Meyiwa ke wayengisilomo sikaNozinti we-Orlando Pirates labafana wadutshulwa wabulawa ekhaya la kubo kwakhe eFort Lawrence eGauteng kwaku-2014 you guys. Kushushiswa kabalisa abahlanu laphana ukuthiwa banikwa itoho lokumjuqa kuSenzo Meyiwa. So izolo bekuphekwa ke ngemibuzo ungodwa amaselula wasemaphoyiseni uLieutenant Colonel Gideon Gauss emva kokuqeda ukwethula ubufakazi. So icala lisesigabeni lapho umbuso wenika khona ubufakazi bamaselula uzama ukuveza ukuxhumana kwabamangalelwa nokwazana kwabo. Advocate Thulani Mngomezulu omele umangalelo wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube ukuvezele udaba uvukuza udaba lwamaselula nezinombolo zikaKelly Khumalo. uMngomezulu bezama ukuveza ukuthi uMncube akaze axhumane noKelly beqoqa ngokujuqa uMeyiwa. uMngomezulu uthe incwadi kaKelly Khumalo efungelwe lapho edalula khona izinombolo zakhe ezimbili. uMngomezulu uthe ke kulezi izinombolo akuveli ukuthi waxhumana uKelly Khumalo noMncube. uMngomezulu unqandwe yijaji uRata Mkhatleng elithe kuye kwavela ukuthi uKelly wayenezinombolo noma amaselula amaningi aphezuke kwayisithupha. Can you just imagine more than 6 numbers because ijaji licele umshushisi wombuzo Advocate George Baloyi ukuthi alekelele kuloko uBaloyi uhambisane nejaji bahleli ke labo njalo behambisana you guys into ekanjalo. Ijaji always on the Baloyi side. Kwenzakalani you guys laphana? So ujaji ke umshushisi wombuso Advocate George Baloyi ukuthi lihambisana licele umshushisi wombuso uAdvocate George Baloyi ukuthi alekelele kuloko Baloyi wahambisana nejaji bathi ziningi inombolo zikaKelly ezathola amaphoyisa kunalezo azivezayo ke yena. Inkosi yenkantolo ufakazi owungoti kwamaselula ke uColonel Lambatha Steyn wathi uKelly wayenezinombolo eziyisishiyagalombili. Kusho kuAdvocate Baloyi udaba lwamaselula kaKelly luke lwavela ngaphambilini ngesikhathi kwathiwa wayexhumana nabamangalelwa ngesikhathi abameli bepheka ubufakazi ngemibuzo kuke kwasuka isidumo kusola ijaji ngokuxhamazela nokuba nethika. Lahlupha ke leli jaji. uMngomezulu usola ijaji ngokuba nethika lingamniki ithuba elanele lokwendlala udaba. Hlezi njalo bangena emlonyeni guys support that inkosi yenkantolo ibuye igagamele ingabi nakho ukubekezelela. Kusho uMngomezulu ijaji lingazibeka phansi nalo langazibeka phansi nalo lathi hayi ngoba lihluthuka kodwa likhuluma iqiniso. Umnumzana ke uSipho Ramsipili ubuye wakhala ngento efana ethi ijaji alibaphathi kahle ebengabameli libuye lingababekezeleli kahle. Icala ke liyaqhubeka ke namhlanje kulindele ukuthi umbuso ubize omunye ufakazi you guys. Leli jaji lalihlezi likwenza lokhu you guys mangabe kuyila amanye ama-advocate hlezi njalo bangena emlonyeni engabavumeli nokubanikeza ithuba lokuthi bakhulume baqede. Kodwa njalo makungu-Advocate Baloyi the state advocate hlezi njalo you guys esesayidini lakhe leyo sihlezi siyibona ke angazi ukuthi ukwenzelani ubaba uMkhatleng you guys. he agrees with the state kodwa ke makuyilaba abanye abameli abamangalelwa hlezi njalo bangena emlonyeni engabavumela ukubanikeza ithuba ke lokuthi bakhulume baqede baningi abantu sebeyibakhala ngalokho ukuthi why is it this judge is always with the state and not abameli babamangalela into kanjalo you guys, which means uvumelana mhlambe with the state angazi you guys ke kuningi kodwa ukuqhubekayo lapha no guys kukhulunywa amaselula akakhela ukhumalo ayefika isishiyagalombili ayeloke ethintana ngayo nabamangalela angazi you guys vele ukhona utsotsi wakaba nenamba eyodwa nje eqinisweni guys kuningi laphana when it comes to Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is still going on kuningi kusazoba kuningi ake ngisize ke labo you guys abanokufika bengathi abathandisisa ama video engisuke ngiwathula you guys mina mangithula ama video when it comes to icala ka Senzo Meyiwa I don't go deep down into the court case just like some of my colleagues. So wena mangabe ufuna ama colleagues angena phakathi odabeni you guys bahluze ngecala ke lokubulawa ka Senzo Meyiwa ngizokuthumela kumama uJane All for Health uJane uyawenza kakhulu ama videos awecala ka Senzo Meyiwa ngizokuthumela ku Clantis Dumakude uyawenza futhi ama videos ecala le ka Senzo Meyiwa ngizokuthumela futhi ke kuBhuti Bongani ngizobhala igama lechannel ka Bhuti Bongani linokuthi lingibalekele you guys. Those are the people who do the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Mina I just report and pass you guys because ayikho good kakhulu when it comes to the laws and everything, the court, indaba zama court and all that ukuthi ngahlala phansi ngithi asikhulumeni ngodaba lokubulawa ka Senzo Meyiwa. I can't do that, but if you want those channels ngikuthumela ku Bhuti Clantis Dumakude ngakuthumela ku Bhuti Bongani of which ngizobhala igama lechannel yakhe. I think it's infotainment news, something like that you guys. Bese kuno mama Jane All for Health with Jane ngama channels lawo ngathi mawufuna icala ukubulawa ka Senzo Meyiwa ufuna ukule understand kahle, you go there and you will get, you know what, you would get like now uzo understand uzolandelela ngithi ufike lapho ulandelela usubscribe to their channels ulike ama videos uzame nokulandelela you guys and then you will get the Senzo Meyiwa trial done perfectly. Mina nje ngiyeza indabeni ngithula izindaba ngidlula, I don't go deep down ngihluze ukuthi lokho kwenzekayo ubani wathini kwangathini you guys. I just report and pass ngoba I cannot do something that I'm not good at into ekanjalo. So ngithumela kulawo ma channels please ungazobuya lapho uthi hayi wena your podcast ikhona comment yawe lapho your podcast yo into ekanjalo. Don't blame my podcast, mina I'm just umgosi ichannel igama le channel yami yalibona lithi umgosi nophilile right. Ngilethela nje izindaba ezenzekayo kwenzeke lokho kwenzeka lokho kwangenzeki lokho. If you want the full Senzo Meyiwa murder trial please go to my colleagues ngizokubhalela bona even on my screen right. If I was ufike uhlale phansi unabe and then uzo understand kangcono mangabe nawe ufuna ukulandele ulandeleleke kahle bangena deep into it bahluze bakhulume ngazo indaba zika Judge Ratha Mkhatleng nama and everything else that you will want to understand right. Ngiyakusiza nje la ukuthi ungasuza ka comment section uzothi angazi ubufuna mina ngihluze ngodaba lokubulawa ka Senzo Meyiwa and the court case and all that. I can't do that because I'm not good at it. So with my channel I just report those news, gossip and pass right. That's why my channel is Umgosi Nophilile. Please go to my colleagues channels and then ufike uhlale phansi unabe usubscribe ulike bese uyalandelela nawe ke udaba lokubulawa ka Senzo. I think there's also Noni M podcast. Is it Noni? The Noni nzobhala igama lakhe futhi naye uyayenza iSenzo Meyiwa murder trial. All right, uhlale phansi ke nawe uzo ngena ube nabanye kulezo ndawo, not on this channel. Thank you so much though for watching. Like the video, subscribe, share, and then I'll meet you again on my next upload. Bye.